Hello YouTube friends and fans. Going to change out some factory wiper blades. They are 18 months old. They're driving me a bit nuts. Got a suggestion from Let me take you out on the road and I'll show you how crappy they are to begin with. Take a short trip here around the block. I don't know if you can see the lines in the windshield, but I can see them, and they're crappy. So we'll see if this new wiper system will fix itself or not. All that, plus the squealing, screeching, yeah, all that. We're gonna go with silicone. Got the box right here. These wipers are from Amazon, and they are a matching set for the car. They are made of pure silicone, and the price was around $26. I'll take you to the website here and show you that. But let's open these up and check them out. They have a special coating on them as well that is supposed to make for no chatter and longer life. These are the silicone wiper blades that I ordered off of Amazon. You can see they paid $23.69, and it talks right here about water repellent polymer technology. Alright, first things first, it says that it's best to have a dry windshield. This is the old depression trick. People had newspaper, not actual paper towels or towels around, so this is what they used back in the day. So the factory ones are really to take off. To flip there. And I think there's a little trigger in here. Slide forward. Like that. Out it comes. The new wiper has a plastic cover on it. Take it off. Left side, you can see that set of wipers get pinched and the housing lifts up. Slide the arm straight through. Glass. Bring you in here so you can see the difference in the wipers. Alrighty. One thing I noticed, those blades are closer than the factory, but it should be okay. Let's run her down the highway, see how well it cleans. Let's go for a ride. Well, let's go see if they made an improvement. Can't be much worse. Well, it took a little bit of driving before I finally got behind somebody would throw some road spray because it's not raining anymore. But got the wipers here set on intermittent. Let the accumulation kind of build up because it's not a lot. And so far, I get no drag, no squeaks. Everything seems to be working great, just like you would expect with a high-end set of wiper blades. So anyhow, only time will tell. Reason for the change, we came back from Cleveland, Ohio the other day, and God did they chatter with the light mist on the windshield. So, and you saw it earlier in the video, it pretty much sucks. Well friends, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next video. I think that's money well spent.